Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you a super easy and delicious recipe for catfish nuggets in the air fryer. My ingredients that I'm going to use: half a cup of cornmeal, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of roasted garlic, 1 tablespoon of pepper, it depends on how much you like, 1 teaspoon of paprika to give the reddish color. I actually forgot one ingredient though. It was turmeric. You can use 1 teaspoon of turmeric. It also gives the yellowish and reddish color from the paprika. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. You mix them all perfectly well so that all parts will be distributed evenly and none of it will be too salty or too hot if not properly mixed. Once that is done, the fish fillets are already washed. I'm just going to prepare them shortly. So I have 3 pieces of catfish. I'll squeeze some lemon juice just to remove the fishy smell, and it also enhances the taste. Oh, I can't have my catfish with lemon because it just gives, I can't describe the taste and the aroma it gives. It's just delicious. I'm sure you know it. I'm going to use 1 egg to coat the nuggets before I sprinkle the dry ingredients. On that, I'll add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now I want it to be really nice and spicy. I'll beat that egg well, and then you add it to the catfish once I have cut the fish into nugget size. So I'm just removing the lemon seeds so that I don't end up cooking and making people chew the lemon seed. Okay, so I'm going to cut the fillets into nuggets. Maybe about I didn't count them actually. So yeah, any size you want, it's all good. I usually cook them as whole, but today I've decided to make the nuggets. My kids love the nuggets, so I've just decided to do something different today. So the nuggets are all ready. I just need to add the egg and pepper mixture to it and mix them together until they are all absorbed. The next step will be to add the dry ingredients. That's the flour, cornmeal, and seasoning mixture to the catfish fillets, diced nuggets, and then I mix them very well. Once that is done, everything is set and you are ready to the end result. Once that is done, yeah, just put them in the air fryer. I have preheated the air fryer. I've set it to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and for 20 minutes, but I didn't actually wait until the 20 minutes is done. At about when it was about 16 minutes and some few seconds, they were already done. So I would say 15 minutes is okay for this kind of fillets. If you keep them up to 20, they will be still fine depending on the crispiness. So these nuggets are crispy outside and tender on the inside and perfect for a meal or a snack. It's outdoor cooking today. The air fryer is ready. I had set it to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to lay the nuggets nicely in the air fryer. I don't need to oil it or spray it with any oil. It's a non-stick and doesn't cause any stickiness when the food is ready. So just laying them nicely until they're all done. It's quite warm today in Texas, but it's better to cook outside so that I don't have to turn the oven on indoors and disturb the air conditioning. You know how it works. Once the oven is on, the house starts warming up, and then the AC will run more when the oven is on. So I'd rather do it out here to save the air conditioning and also get the actual crispiness I want. It's not the same as when you do it in the oven. This one is just super crispy because it's an air fryer anyway. Like I said before, I've set it for 20 minutes, but they will definitely be ready in about 15 to 16 minutes, and you can still wait until the 20 minutes is completely done depending on the crispiness you like. But I had to stop at about 16 minutes and a few seconds because I thought they were really cooked the way I wanted, and I wanted that tenderness inside, so it had reached there. That's all I wanted. And with fish, you can't really overcook them, otherwise they'll end up being rubber-like or not giving that tasty whatever it is. Yes. So I wanted to maintain that. Yeah, they are now cooked nice color. Even without the turmeric, I missed one ingredient. They still look a nice and golden brownish color, ready to be eaten with the steamed plantains or anything you like, anything you may find enjoyable. I think even fries will do with this. Anything you like, it will do. So we served it with steamed plantains and cucumbers and some cherry tomatoes plus the tomato stew to give some juicy taste. As you can see, I enjoyed it with my boys while their dad was still working, and I hope you will also enjoy it as the way we did. But I know for sure he will. He likes fish just like me, but he doesn't like fish with bones. That's why we do fillets, and the kids are still young too. Thank you.